How to enter referral code on Temu app. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Temu app, or also you can launch your Temu account in the web version. Just open it. For this video, I'm using the app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of View. Over here, you're going to find different options. Now navigate to the option of Coupons and Offers. Click on it. Now from this page, you can easily enter your Temu account's referral code. At the top, you will see this box. Over here, you can just type in your referral code. Not only referral code, you can also type in the promo code, coupon codes over here. After you type in, click on Apply. And with that, your code will be redeemed. So this is how you can easily enter referral code on Temu account. This was really simple and quick process. Also clicking on this option of Used and Expired, you're gonna find the used and expired coupon codes and promo codes in this page. Well, that's all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about how to enter a referral code on Temu account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.